Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issues with the KB5037591 error message that you're experiencing on your Windows. And this could be a cause of a variety of different issues on your computer like blue screen error or slow response times with the different applications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or itap mo lang tong other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So another solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin tong settings and then close. At dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. So one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type. So enter mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space winsack space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space winsack space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the winsack catalog. Alright, so before tayo mag-restart, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete and next step. So dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang tong restart. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to resolve the issues with the Windows KB5037591 update. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.